easygovernment.com.
Good morning everyone, welcome to easygovernment.com. Let's see what are the business news making headlines today. From Economic Times, government to look at applicability of 20% tax on ongoing buybacks. About 15 companies had announced buybacks before the budget. After KPR Mill scraps buyback, others likely to rethink plans. Infosys grows faster than TCS in Q1. Revenue climbs 12.4%. Company backs large deals of over $2.7 billion, highest in a quarter. IT company raises its revenue guidance to 8.5 to 10% for current financial year. Doctorate holders to select vendors. Census 2021 will capture all details. Next census to have detailed questions on education, skills, migration and disabilities aimed at better policy making. There will be 11 categories to classify the disabled and 250 categories of occupations. Regional carrier Trujet looks to fly high in next 3 years. Wants to triple fleet size, gets Rs 600 crore revenue, make public offering of shares. Andhra calls wind project developers to rework tariffs, considering the fact that only 3 years have lapsed after the commencement of supply. Because of high cost power, DISCOMs are unable to pay the monthly power bills. Road Transport Minister Nitin Gadkari asked vehicle makers to work on alternative fuels and electrical vehicles. TVS rolls out India's first ethanol-run motorcycle at Rs 1.2 lakh. ITC plans to invest in FMCG startups and others, open exclusive retail stores among the country. IndusInd Bank Q1 net rises 38%. Asset quality remains stable. Growth in interest income and expansion in loan book boost numbers. The Asian Infrastructure and Investment Bank to provide $100 million to L&T Infra for clean energy play. Bank doing due diligence on proposals of other non-banking financial companies. Asian Infrastructure and Investment Bank to launch local currency financing in India and Russia. Developing countries should invest around 8% of GDP on infra, says President of Asian Infrastructure and Investment Bank. Infrastructure Financier also planning to introduce variable spread loan product. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman clarifies every budget estimate as realistic. Will focus on increasing investment without compromising on fiscal consolidation. That's all important today from Economic Times. Let's see what Business Standard reports. Service charge hike on foreign portfolio investors to hit global passive funds. Move to affect ETF's ability to mimic index returns. Amazon invests Rs 51 crore in Quest unit to boost backend services. QDG Services, a unit of integrated business service provider Quest Group, is in move to bolster after-sales and back-end services for mobile phones and electronic items. Advertising giant WPP to sell 60% of its Kantar arm to Bain. Proceeds estimated to be $4 billion and will be used to cut debt. Distribution glitches a hurdle for government's LPG Ujjwala scheme. After the success of Prime Minister Ujjwala Yojana, LPG coverage in India increased from 56% in 2014 to 94.3% by April 2019. That's all important today from today's news. Thank you so much for listening in. We are going to get back to you tomorrow morning once again with the latest business headlines. This news was brought to you by easygovernment.com and we all wish you a great day ahead.